Welcome back, traders. The stage is set, the arena is ready, and this Monday the mighty Nifty 50 prepares for another battle. On one side, the bulls stand tall, aiming to charge higher. On the other, the bears are ready to drag the market down. And between them lies a battlefield, the crucial price of 24,895. This is where the fight begins. The bulls are hungry for victory. Their first test lies at R1, which is 24,994. If they can push beyond this wall, they'll find themselves at R2, which is 25,084, where the bears will try to hold ground. But the battle doesn't stop there. If bulls keep charging, they face another shield at R3, which is 25,179. Breaking this could send a strong signal that the bulls are in control. The real war, however, begins at the higher levels. R4, which is 25,264, and R5, which is 25,339, are like fortresses where big players may take action. And finally, the ultimate ceiling R6, which is at 25,429. If the bulls conquer this level, it's game over for the bears and a new rally could be born. But the bears are not giving up without a fight. Their first defense begins at S1, which is 24,809. If they pull the market below this, their confidence grows. From there, they'll try to drag Nifty towards S2, which is 24,719, then deeper into S3 at 24,644. The real strength of the bears lies in the lower fortresses, S4 24,559 and S5 24,464. And if they break the final wall at S6, which is at 24,374, the bulls could be completely deflated, opening the doors for a strong bearish wave. So where does that leave us, the traders watching this clash? Think of 24,895 as the war zone. Whichever side controls this area will decide the day's direction. If bulls cross 1 rand and hold, the journey towards 2 rand and 3 rand begins. If bears break S1, the slide towards S2 and S3 could be quick. As traders, our job is not to fight blindly but to follow the winners. Place your stops wisely, ride the momentum, and always protect your capital. Remember, the market rewards patience and discipline, not reckless charges. So, as the sun rises on Monday, the bulls and bears prepare once again. The lines are drawn. Resistance above, support below. Will the bulls break through the fortress of 25,429 and roar in victory? Or will the bears crush the bulls and drag Nifty down towards 24,374? Only time will tell. Stay sharp, stay focused, and may you always trade on the